So let me share with you the three most critical things that underlie a lot of our best time management best practices. This first one is communication. So when you email back and you tell them where they are in the priority list, that you're communicating, you're managing their expectations. The second thing is assertiveness, where you're saying yes too often. So you could say, I won't be able to get this till next week. You're expressing the truth, again, managing their expectations. And sometimes you say no. That's being assertive, and you have to do that politely and professionally. And there are ways to say no so that people are okay with it. And the third thing is self-discipline. That's when you are focusing on the things that are top priority for you. Let's say you've got some gnarly thing. I have to do something that I don't want to do. Well, the self-discipline comes in doing what you know you should be doing. And this is where a lot of us fall short.